So yo, my peoples, welcome back to part 3 of the restoration on this truck Wagon. So yes, in the last video we'll talk about the wheels, how they were getting treated with some woodworm treatment and some wood hardener treatment, and obviously they were getting repaired and all that stuff, getting nice and dry there. But yeah, and then this here is a couple of weeks ago once the wheels were finished. But as you can see anyway, the weather got to the wagon a bit, got a bit damp there with that white stuff there, that's all dampness. But anyway, we cleaned it up, got the wagon wheels on. As you can see, they are there, jacked the whole thing up. Yeah, put it down on the wheels for the first time in Lord knows how long, maybe 5-10 years, don't know. But look at it, amazing with them wheels on, makes such a big difference with brand new, basically brand new wheels on. Yeah, and then here we are digging out trenches where we put railroad sleepers in the ground. There's my brother there putting the sleepers in the ground. But yeah, if you like this and you want to see the whole journey, make sure you check out the YouTube, link in the bio. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time when I get a next update, you get me?